Virginia, we often take for granted the wonderful freshwater ecosystems that are bountiful in our area. Our daily routines, from brushing our teeth to taking a shower and grabbing a bottle out of the fridge, proves how valuable this resource is in our lives. Hi, I'm Emily Hill, a member of the Shenandoah FFA chapter, and being from the Shenandoah Valley, I understand the importance of the river in our society. When one person uses almost 70 gallons of water per day, and there are over 8 million people in Virginia, and water is used every single day, that calls for a total of 201,600,000,000 gallons of water in just 1 year. Fresh water is the most demanded commodity in the world, and in some countries is not as accessible as it is here. Although the supply of fresh water on the planet is plentiful, only 1% is usable fresh water. Many countries in the Eastern Hemisphere struggle to access this precious resource. This brings about many problems. Trash, chemicals, and other harmful substances are being disposed of by means of the waterways. When you find things like soda cans, bottles, plastic rings, paper bags, old sneakers, or dead fish, it is likely that the water quality is poor and pollution is prominent. There has been no solution found yet for the disposal of nuclear waste from power plants. Many waste products from non-biohazardous facilities are being dumped directly into the water. This often causes imbalances in composition, making water inadequate for drinking and unable to support aquatic life. Farmers who own livestock that use water sources, such as small streams or rivers, can contribute to the spread of disease-causing pathogens such as Salmonella and E. coli. This is potentially dangerous to anyone or anything that comes in contact with the contaminated water. Fertilizer is a common cause of nitrogen imbalances in Virginia's waters. When this is applied to the land, excess water carries with it the nutrients, where it then resides in ponds, lakes, rivers, and streams. The total maximum daily load in the Chesapeake Bay, a prime source for Virginia's aquaculture industry, is about 53 million pounds per year. Fertilizer pollution alone can account for 11 to 32% of nitrogen in water. At a pH below 5, most fish eggs cannot hatch. Acid rain is a key player in the changing pH levels of the water. When excess sulfur and nitrogen are released into the air through car emissions, airborne factory waste, lightning strikes, and volcanic eruptions, this returns to the ground through precipitation and is cycled back to the waterways, bringing with it the pollutants. How could we possibly change this? It seems like so much, and it's all just out of reach, right? Wrong. We can do things like turning off the water when it's not in use or installing more efficient water fixtures. This small change can have huge results. A shower now takes only 9 gallons and leaks account for only 4. The daily total is now at 45.2 gallons. This is a 35% reduction. With this change, the extra water could be sent to countries in need, providing a safer water source. Trash could be disposed of in the proper facilities, and programs initiated to have volunteers help maintain the waterways. Signs could also be posted specifying the consequences of littering in or around a waterway. Factories can find alternative means of waste disposal or install more eco-friendly systems. Farmers could be encouraged to fence in their animals and provide a centralized, on-property watering system that does not meet the waterways. People could employ a more natural fertilizer or compost that has a reduced nitrogen content but offers the same possibilities for plant growth. As you can see, here in Virginia, we are met with several challenges when it comes to our freshwater resources. But when it comes down to it, we can make a difference. We can advocate. Tell a friend. Make a change. Spark a revolution. An agriculture revolution. AGvocate for Virginia's freshwaters.